good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with finally another unboxing, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all, nigga. These shits took so long to get to me, bruh. I don't even. It is what it is. So what's good, y'all? Hopefully y'all hit that thumbs up like already, because this one right here gonna be a banger. I've been waiting a very, very, very long time to unbox this shoe right here. And this box right here is coming from Genasis by way of motherfucking sneaker steals. Y'all understand, man? I be trying to hip y'all. Y'all gotta fuck with sneaker steals, man. That's the reason I be coming up on shit. And yeah, man, let's get straight into it. No delays. Let's get it. I've been waiting for these for a very, very, very long time. Hopefully my order shit is really what it is. So I'm gonna tell y'all when I actually bought these shit. I ordered these on the 16th of July. Today's the 8th of August, nigga. Oh, and they just came, yo. Like, god damn. Like, I've been waiting for these for a motherfucking long time, cuz. The reason why these took so long in the first place, simply because they was back ordered. I know y'all see that red, so you already know what shoe this is, but you don't know the exact shoe it is. But yeah, bro, I've been waiting for these for a very, very, very long time. And of course, we got a Vans box. Now, I've been wanting these since I seen them. I was bullshitting and I missed it. But today we finally unboxing them. So this is my first reaction along with y'all. I've never seen these in person, and I've never seen them at the store. So we're gonna get straight into it. I know y'all like, nigga, just pull a shoe out. Well, let me make sure. Right side, yeah, right size. Size 11. Bruh. I finally got these bitches. We got the Yacht Club Vans, my G. I've been wanting these for so long. Definitely not using them rope laces, boy. Flat lace game. I don't know, maybe rope laces. But bro, I've been wanting these. Oh my god, the materials on this. Ooh, nigga, the materials is there, cuzzy. The materials is there. Damn, these shits smack. But this, I don't know what the fuck they used on that ass, but that ass though. But bro, I've been, oh my god, y'all don't understand how bad I wanted these, and I'll get into it in a review. Of course, y'all know it's just unboxing or whatever, and I try not to go into depth too much. But yeah, man, the Yacht Club Vans, I finally got myself a pair of these. I've been wanting them since they released, and just I missed out on them because they sold out. Of course, you know, niggas here exclusive and like limited, they're gonna want a pair. But man, I've been looking, searching, and I finally got them in my damn hands. So just be looking out for that review for these. Size 11. The materials on these are amazing. 2 sets of laces, nigga. I can't wait to see these on feet. I know y'all can't neither, so go ahead and look out for that unboxing. Not the unboxing, the actual review on these. They will be up. What's today? Today should be Monday when you're seeing this, so it should be up this Saturday. And yeah, man, I really don't have words because I'm not like upset because I waited for these so long, but it's just like, damn, nigga, like I waited for these for like damn near a month, and I was like stupid mad that I had to wait that long. These jumps was well worth the wait. The materials is, oh my god, these jumps is fire, god. But I'm psyched I finally got them, and can't wait to do the review. And then in the review, y'all know I explain more about the situation and everything that happened with these and all this other shit, man. And I'm just glad I finally got them, man. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. Y'all know my unboxings be kind of quick. I don't want to spend too much time on it. Look out for the review. Y'all know that's where I get in depth with everything I do, from sizing to fit to comfort level to materials, all that shit. So definitely want to look out for my unboxing on. I keep saying unboxing. My review on these Yacht Club Vans size 11. Follow me anything. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92, man. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Like I said at the beginning, if you haven't subbed already, so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. We the best squad on YouTube. Y'all already know what it hitting for, man. Yacht Club Vans. These Jones is a work of art. And speaking of art, go ahead, shout out the art page, Finesse God Masterpiece. Go cop out some dope art. A new piece should be dropping. Well, shit, it should have dropped already. So yeah, go ahead and look at that, like that shit. The big crip piece I made for the homie. And yeah, man, I think that's all I wanted to tell y'all. Go watch all the other vids, support them Jones. I got a Drake going back to Nike vid I just dropped this past, what, like Thursday, Friday? Yeah, Friday, this past Friday. Go like that. And any other vids, just go watch them shits too. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here so I ain't rambling and shit. I gotta charge my camera because y'all dying on me, but it's all goody. And I love y'all, man. Thank y'all so much for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.